Hey everyone, welcome back to Tuesday Teachings on Yellow Door Talks. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I am Sonam Mahajan, and today we're going to talk about something that all of us feel at some point or the other, the feeling of being bored. Now, boredom is a feeling that sometimes brings up feelings of annoyance, feelings of frustration, sometimes might make us feel irritable or even make us just feel lazy. So in today's reading, let's explore together, what does being bored mean? What does it perhaps look like? What happens when we feel bored? What can we do when we feel bored? Can boredom be useful for us in any manner? And how do we perhaps help someone else who might be feeling bored? So let's look at all of these aspects and jump right into our reading.
Bored by Meg Keitner. Chapter 1, Liam's Weekend. Liam woke up Saturday morning. It was raining. He could not go outside to play. He wanted something to do. His mom was at work. His sister had homework. His dad was busy with chores. Liam was bored. He felt there was nothing to do. Chapter 2, Being Bored. Sometimes people have a lot of energy. They want to do something, but nothing seems interesting enough. They feel bored. You might get distracted easily. You may even feel as if there is nothing to do. Everyone feels bored sometimes. It can help to find something to focus on. You can be creative, make up a game, write a story, or paint a picture. It can also help to tell others how you feel. They might have ideas for things you could do. It is okay to be bored. The feeling will not last forever. You will find something to be interested in. Think about it. Can you think of a time when you were bored? Chapter 3, Helping Others. You can help others who are bored. You can create a fun game. You can suggest different activities. People who are bored might seem distracted or uninterested. That is okay. You can still include them. You can still be their friend.
So that was our reading for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it made you understand boredom a little bit better. And I'd like you all to take the next 1 week to discuss this with your parents, what you learned, how you personally experience boredom, and how you would like to address it next time when you feel bored. So that's it for today. I will see you next week with a new book and a new topic. Take care.